Dear students, I, Mrs. Neeta Ivle, once again welcome you. In last lecture, we understood methods of recording accounting information and also we came to know that double entry system is the scientific and complete system of recording business transactions. Today, let's get more about the system. I mean, about the double entry bookkeeping system. Double entry bookkeeping system refers to that system of bookkeeping which records dual aspect of every business transaction. In this system, business records two aspects of every transaction, that is, what comes in and what goes out. Thus, every business transaction has two aspects, that is, debit aspect and credit aspect. Debit aspect of business transaction is transferred or posted to debit side of one account and credit aspect is transferred or posted to another account. In this way, under this system, every debit has corresponding credit of equal amount and all debits are equivalent to all credits in equal amount. Under this system, each business transaction is split up into two aspects, that is debit and credit with the same amount and recorded in the ledger at two places with the same amount. This process is carried out throughout the year and at the end of the year all ledger accounts are closed and their balances are found out. These balances of ledger accounts are recorded on separate sheets in the form of debit balances and credit balances. The sum total of all debit balances equals the sum total of all credit balances in the particular accounting period. Thus, double entry bookkeeping system is the only perfect system of recording business transactions and fully achieves all the objectives of bookkeeping. It is scientific, reliable, and complete, and yet both simple and universal. It may be applied with equal success to a small trader as well as to a large company or any government organization in the country. In last lecture, I had told you about the person who introduced the double entry system. Do you recall the name? Friends, you must know it. Yes, Luca de Bargo Pasilio. He introduced the double entry system on 10th November 1494 and the day is celebrated as International Accounting Day. Let's see the definition of double entry system. Every business transaction has twofold effect and that it affects two accounts in opposite direction, and if a complete record of is to be made of each such transaction is it would be necessary to debit one account and credit another account. It is thus recording of twofold effect of every transaction that has given rise to the term double entry. This definition is given by J.R. Batliboli. Now, let's see the principles of double entry bookkeeping system. In every business transaction, there are at least two aspects, that is, one aspect relating to receiving benefit and other aspect relating to giving benefit. These two aspects involve two accounts. Debit aspect of the business transaction is recorded on debit side of one account and credit aspect is transferred and recorded to another account. Every debit has corresponding credit of equal amount and every credit has corresponding debit of equal amount. Therefore, all debits are equivalent to the all credits. Double entry bookkeeping system. Now it is scientific system. Under double entry bookkeeping system, comparison between the results of current year with the previous year can be done easily, which in turn helps to prepare planning for the future activities. The detailed information with respect to different types of expenses, incomes, losses, gains, assets, liabilities, debtors, creditors, etc. is easily made available under double entry system of bookkeeping. This is because under this system all ledger accounts are prepared separately. Financial position of the business and yearly performances of business activities, that is profit or loss, can be known easily if double entry bookkeeping system is followed. On the basis of such financial information, management can easily provide useful information to various users or stockholders. Under this system, accountants can easily provide periodically financial information to the management or various aspects of the business. On the basis of these data and information, management can take corresponding steps to develop and control business activities. So, we can say the double entry bookkeeping system is the scientific system. Now, let's see the advantages of double entry bookkeeping system. Complete record. Every business transaction has two aspects, that is debit aspect and credit aspect. Under this system, debit aspect of business transaction is transferred and posted to debit side of one account, and credit aspect is transferred or posted to another account. Thus, both the aspects are scientifically recorded under this system. Since both of debit and credit aspect, every transaction are fully recorded and a complete record of all transactions is obtained. The second one is accuracy. As every debit has a corresponding credit and every credit has a corresponding debit, the arithmetically accuracy of the books of accounts on any given date can be easily verified. The third is business results. Because of the built-in checks and counter checks provided by the equality of debits and credits, it is difficult to commit errors and frauds, and easy to detect them if at all they are committed. Thus, double entry bookkeeping system is useful to control errors and frauds. It helps to find out profit earned or loss suffered during accounting period. The fourth one is common acceptance. The records prepared and maintained under double entry bookkeeping system have common approval and acceptance from different segments such as financial institutions, government, authorities, and various stakeholders. So let's see conventional accounting system. Conventional accounting system includes the preparation of conventional cash book and a ledger of any business. This simple method or conventional cash book is very useful and suitable where turnover is small and number of transactions are limited. Even today, this cash book is used by many professionals and businessmen. This cash book is prepared to record only cash transactions, but all types of transactions like credit purchases, sales, bank transactions, covering issues and receipts of checks, returns, inwards and outwards, opening and adjustment entries also. Though the name is cash book, credit transactions are also recorded in the same book. The conventional cash book is generally written in local languages like Marathi, Hindi, Marwadi, Gujarati, etc. Munimji, a nationwide popular word for an accountant, had a full command on the books of accounts. Conventional accounting system is based on practicability. Accounting conversion means rules which by common agreement are used in accounting. That is why, although double entry bookkeeping system is used more extensively in the business world, some of the businesses concerned which such as business organized by professionals, small businessmen like doctors, chartered accountants, architects, etc., still make use of conventional accounting system. This accounting system, in which routine or traditional books of accounts such as cash book and ledger are prepared and maintained to keep records of business transactions. In these books, left hand side is called credit means jama and right hand side is known as debit means udhar. But this system is incomplete system of recording accounting as it does not follow the principle of double entry bookkeeping system. It is not recognized by law too. Let's have quick review of today's learning. Today we understood double entry system and we studied definition, principles and advantages of double entry bookkeeping system. Also, we studied conventional accounting system today. Friends, hope you got all the points. In next lecture, we are going to understand the most important part of our overall academic career, that is classification of accounts. So, be ready for it. Friends, thank you for watching today's lecture attentively.